Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be dismantling this dehumidifier that no longer works. As you can see, it's still completely intact. I think the fan still works, but for some reason it does not dehumidify. A little water tank down the bottom there, I believe. And you can take this out, and I believe the water collects in this little bucket thing over here. I'm not entirely sure how it works, and there's a little handle in there as well. So I guess the first thing to do, take this out. We don't need that. Not going to be using that anytime soon. Next step is probably to just take out all the screws. You can also take the filter out, so we're not dealing with that later. Just going to pry that open. Dehumidifier. This is what we're after inside the dehumidifier. Is just circuit boards and stuff like that. Wires, I guess, anything that we could use. Alright, so next thing to do is just to pull off this little knob here. If we can just give it a proper yank. There we go. It was pretty locked in there. Very sneaky screws hidden inside here. Then we're just going to go ahead and take the screws out. Work my way in. Yeah, there we go. We got it. Alright, so after dismantling the dehumidifier, these are all the parts that I got. I got one giant massive propeller fan thingy, some sort of heating unit over here, just a bunch of nichrome wire, in a circle. It looks pretty cool, to be honest. It does look pretty cool. A few rheostats, or a couple of rheostats. Got this one over here and this one over here. Not sure what this one is. Really don't know what that is. A couple of relays, resistor, a capacitor, and that's about it. So you don't really get that much from dismantling a dehumidifier. There's not very many interesting things inside it. By far the only interesting thing that I found inside here was this cool looking toaster thing, heatery wire, that looks pretty cool. But yeah, that was just my quick video of dismantling a dehumidifier. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.